Walker County Schools and Georgia Northwestern Technical College are providing students from LaFayette and Ridgeland high schools the opportunity to earn dual enrollment college credit with Walker Launch at GNTC. Students will attend classes and receive hands-on instruction at GNTC's Walker County campus. Industry partners will also be on hand to provide mentorship to students, as well as options for internships, career training, and financial literacy. Career-focused training offered through Walker Launch at GNTC includes logistics, automotive technology, healthcare, air conditioning technology, welding and joining technology, and machining. A Walker County Schools teacher also will be on campus at GNTC to provide support and instruction to students. There is no cost to students, and transportation and food service are provided. Participating students will earn college credit towards an associate degree, diploma, or certificate. Begin your career path with Walker Launch at GNTC. Contact your counselor for entry requirements.